Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are Group 5, and we are excited to present our business plan, AI powered retail transformation for Macy's 2025. Our objective is to outline a bold yet practical strategy for leveraging artificial intelligence across Macy's retail operations. In an era where technology is reshaping the customer journey, Macy's has the opportunity to lead through innovation. In this presentation, we'll walk through four key areas: market opportunities, AI solution strategies, implementation phases, and the projected impact on Macy's growth trajectory through 2025. Let's begin by taking a look at the current and projected landscape for AI in the retail industry. Market size: the global AI retail market is expected to reach 13.07 billion by 2025, showing strong momentum. Even more compelling is the long-term projection. This figure is anticipated to hit 53.74 billion by 2030. Growth rate: this expansion is driven by a powerful compound annual growth rate, or KGR, of 32.68%. That level of growth is extraordinary and reflects increasing adoption of AI technologies across the retail value chain. Omni-channel behavior. Another key trend is the rise of omni-channel shoppers, with 73% of customers now using multiple channels during their purchasing journey. This highlights the need for seamless AI-powered experience across both digital and physical touchpoints. Finally, the potential economic value from AI, especially in areas like inventory optimization, personalization, and loss logistics, is massive. We're looking at an estimated 2 trillion in annual economic impact that AI could unlock. I'll now pass it on to Daniel.
Thank you, Alex. Let us outline the competitive landscape that makes our AI retail transformation not just beneficial, but essential. The market is currently dominated by four main player categories: enterprise technology providers like IBM and Microsoft, retail-specific AI solutions like RetailNext and Leafio AI, e-commerce platform extensions from Shopify and Adobe, and in-house solutions developed by retail giants like Amazon and Walmart. What we've identified is a critical gap in the market. While our competitors excel in single-point solutions, none are delivering the integrated, comprehensive approach we're proposing. Most vendors offer either personalization or inventory management or customer service enhancements, but not all three in a unified platform. Our competitive advantage comes from this integration. By implementing all three use cases on a common data foundation, we'll unlock synergies that standalone solutions simply cannot match. For example, our personalization engine will feed data directly to our inventory system, creating a closed feedback loop that continuously improves performance. Additionally, our phased implementation approach minimizes risk, while our outcome-based pricing model aligns costs with business results, two differentiators our competitors aren't offering. With 91% of retail IT leaders prioritizing AI implementation in the next year, the window to establish competitive advantage is closing rapidly. By moving forward now, we position ourselves ahead of industry peers who are still evaluating single-point solutions. I will now pass it on to Judy to speak about use cases.
Thank you, Daniel. Recognizing both the urgency and the opportunity in this evolving landscape, we knew we needed a focused, data-driven approach to identify where AI could deliver the most impact for Macy's. We kicked off by brainstorming 15 AI use cases for Macy's. Then, we evaluated each one using two key lenses: business value and strategy feasibility. On the business side, we looked at how each use case could reduce costs, boost revenue, grow market share, deliver customer value, and align with Macy's overall strategy. For feasibility, we factored in the cost and time to build, how unique the solution is, the maturity of the tech, and its competitive importance. From there, we built what we call the Use Case Prism, a visual tool that helped us stack rank all 15 ideas. The highest impact, most feasible strategies naturally rose to the top. And those are the ones we're excited to prioritize and bring to life. Here are the top 5 game-changing AI strategies we're proposing for Macy's, each designed to elevate customer experience and deliver strong business value. First, personalized shopping experiences. With AI analyzing customer preferences and behavior in real time, we can tailor product recommendations, pricing, and promotions to every shopper, online, in-store, or on mobile. This leads to stronger customer engagement, larger basket sizes, and more effective marketing efforts. Second, we have intelligent inventory management. Using predictive analytics, we can forecast demand with greater accuracy, automatically adjust stock levels, and respond to trends and special events in real time. This helps us avoid overstock and stockouts, improve cash flow, and make smarter use of our inventory across all locations. Next is customer service enhancement. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants will handle routine questions instantly and hand off complex issues to human reps when needed. This streamlines operations, cuts service costs, and delivers faster, more satisfying experiences for our customers. Fourth, there's visual search and recognition. This lets shoppers use images instead of words to search for products, whether through mobile apps, kiosks, or smart mirrors. It enhances product discovery, encourages exploration, and removes common points of friction, all while providing data that helps us fine-tune our merchandising and layouts. And finally, dynamic pricing optimization. With AI adjusting prices in real time based on demand, competitor activity, and inventory pressure, we can stay competitive while protecting margins. It enables smarter promotions, faster inventory turnover, and greater pricing agility across channels. Together, these 5 strategies position Macy's to lead in the next era of AI-powered retail. I will now pass it on to Deepika for technical architecture and implementation plan.
Thank you, Judy. The architecture is structured in distinct layers, each with specific responsibilities. The data layer. This foundation includes our customer data platform, inventory management integration, transaction history, product information. And most importantly, it allows us to tap into external data sources like weather, events, and social media trends to enrich our insights and for informed decision-making. The AI or ML layer. This is where the intelligence of our system resides. It features a machine learning modeling framework, a natural language processing engine for understanding and interacting in natural language, real-time prediction services for immediate insights, and pipelines for efficiently training and deploying our models. The application layer. This layer handles the core business logic. It includes an API gateway and service mesh for efficient and secure communication between services, a business rules engine to enforce our operational policies, workflow orchestration to manage complex processes, robust security and access control mechanisms, and an event processing system to react to real-time occurrences. The presentation layer. This is how users will interact with the system. It encompasses all customer-facing interfaces, web, mobile, and in-store experiences, as well as the tools and dashboards for our associates and comprehensive management reporting and analytics. It also includes integrations with necessary third-party services. Our implementation plan is designed to be a strategic and phased approach. Our goal is to minimize risk and maximize the value delivered at each stage. We've structured the implementation into 4 phases. Phase 1, Foundation, will be focusing on establishing a robust data strategy and governance framework, setting up the core infrastructure, performing initial data integration and cleansing, a critical step for reliable outcomes, developing baseline models, and finally, prioritizing use cases and finalizing our detailed roadmap. Phase 2, Initial Deployment. This involves our pilot implementation of our 3 core use cases. We'll start with a limited rollout to specific stores and channels to gather insights. Core functionality will be deployed. A significant part of this phase will be staff training and change management, ensuring everyone is on board and equipped for the new systems. Phase 3, expansion. The expansion phase is where we'll see the full functionality deployed across the enterprise. All locations will be on board. We'll also begin implementing advanced features and optimizing integrations. Performance measurement and tuning will be key to ensure we're on track. Phase 4, optimization. The final phase is focused on optimization and continuous improvement. We'll be refining the system based on accumulated performance data. There will be opportunities for expanding into additional use cases. We'll leverage advanced analytics to derive deeper insights. The goal is to achieve full automation of key processes. And, importantly, to establish a continuous improvement framework that will serve us long-term. I will now pass it on to Daniel to speak financials.
Thank you, Deepika. Our comprehensive financial analysis shows that with an investment of $7.80 to $17.70 million over 3 years, we can generate $264 to $454 million in combined revenue growth and cost savings. That's a remarkable ROI of 247% to 342% by year 3. The 3 core AI solutions we're implementing, personalized shopping experiences, intelligent inventory management, and enhanced customer service, will drive substantial benefits across our operation. First, we'll see revenue growth of 15 to 30% by improving customer engagement and increasing average order value. Second, we'll achieve 15 to 25% reductions in inventory costs by optimizing stock levels and reducing markdowns. Finally, we'll reduce customer service costs by 25 to 40% while simultaneously improving satisfaction scores. The financial model shows we'll break even in just 10 to 14 months, with positive ROI beginning as early as year 1. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about creating sustainable competitive advantage. The global AI and retail market is growing at over 32% annually, and this initiative positions us at the forefront of this transformation. I'll now pass word to Fatima.
Thank you, Daniel. With any major transformation, there are bound to be a few bumps in the road. For implementation risks, we understand how important data quality is. If the data going into the system isn't clean or consistent, the AI won't perform well. So we're putting a strong governance plan in place from the start. We also want to be realistic about integration challenges. Connecting new AI systems to older platforms isn't always seamless. So we're phasing things in and doing thorough testing. And of course, adoption is key. If people don't understand or trust the tools, they won't use them. So training and communication are crucial parts of the rollout. On the business side, we're mindful of risks like low user adoption, potential ROI shortfalls, and evolving data privacy regulations. To mitigate these, we've built a structured framework that includes bi-weekly risk assessments, a live risk register with assigned owners, and contingency planning. Ultimately, our goal is to stay proactive, identifying issues early, responding quickly, and ensuring that risks are managed with the same rigor as the opportunities we're pursuing. To ensure our AI strategy delivers real business value, we've identified a comprehensive set of success metrics. On the revenue side, we'll track conversion rates, average order value, and customer lifetime value to measure top-line impact. Operationally, inventory metrics like turnover, stockout rate, and markdown percentages will tell us if our forecasting and allocation strategies are improving efficiency. From a customer experience perspective, we'll monitor Net Promoter Score, satisfaction, and resolution times, ensuring service quality keeps pace with automation. And on the technical front, we'll evaluate model accuracy, system uptime, and API responsiveness to maintain performance and reliability. These metrics will be tracked through real-time dashboards and monthly executive summaries, creating a closed feedback loop that supports data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. Next, Ryle will speak about recommendations.
Thank you, Fatima. After reviewing the success metrics, we now turn to key strategic recommendations for Macy's. The business case demonstrates a compelling return on investment, over 250% ROI within 3 years, which underscores the potential value of this initiative. To mitigate implementation risk, a phased rollout is recommended, enabling Macy's to capture incremental benefits while managing change effectively. Prior to scaling AI solutions, it is essential to conduct thorough due diligence on data governance. Balancing advanced technology with sound management practices will be critical to long-term success. Moreover, the implementation process should be guided by continuous monitoring, with adjustments based on precise, controlled testing and performance metrics. To conclude, by following these recommendations and consistently tracking key indicators, Macy's is well positioned to execute its strategic transition toward AI-driven operations. Leveraging AI will empower Macy's to foster innovation, improve agility, and strengthen its competitive edge in the evolving retail landscape. Thank you for your time and consideration.